I'd like to begin by saying that the Tea Party Republicans have picked the wrong fight. They should be fighting against the deficit, not fighting against women and children.
Make no mistake, this entire process has not been about reducing the debt or the deficit. It's been about reducing opportunity.
We are not going to continue to stand by and watch women be pawns and be used in these critical debates in front of us on how we reduce the deficit and get people back to work.
Women of all ages and their families did not create the national deficit that we have, and taking away their health care is not going to solve it.
I am appalled that the price tag for the vote tomorrow for the continuing resolution was a vote on two amendments that go directly after women. Defunding Planned Parenthood that provides preventive health care for millions of women in this country, and defunding health care that absolutely is a bill that makes sure that women finally have equal access to health care, that we're not denied care for pre-existing conditions, which virtually every woman has, to make sure that we are not charged more than men for health care, to make sure we have the ability to purchase health care, the ability for protections against insurance companies who have repeatedly denied health care for women for a variety of reasons, including domestic violence. These two votes tomorrow are a direct undermining of women's ability to take care of themselves and be equal partners in this country, and we are not going to stand idly by.
We're going to be here because we know that women and children and their families need a voice here. We intend to be that voice. Now, Planned Parenthood is not exactly a new organization. You know how long it's been around? 95 years. Wow. 95 years. And it has provided basic health care services such as breast exams and STD tests and birth control and more to women and to men. And the reason we reiterate it, you may say, gee, I know all this. Well, John Kyle obviously didn't know all this when he made a huge factual error and turned around the numbers. It's actually 97% of the services of Planned Parenthood nationwide have nothing to do with abortion. And federal dollars have zero to do with abortion. So you have to then look behind all these facts and realize that this is really an attack on women and their families.
Even though the Republicans want to take women back to the dark ages, we will not go. We will fight them with every legislative tool at our disposal.
We're not going to stand by idly and watch this. We're going to defeat those two amendments tomorrow, and then we are going to be on sentry to make sure that the coming battles about the 2012 budget and whatever else is on the plate isn't another smokescreen to go after what they apparently really want to do, which is, as Senator Mikulski said, take us back to the dark ages.
I hope that tomorrow we're going to see most of our male colleagues join us in saying that what's being proposed is unacceptable. We are not going to stand for it. And that was intended to be a factual statement.